Here's a question. What do you do with the high performers on your team? How do you keep them motivated and engaged so they don't get bored? Hey folks, it's Kirk Langford, General Manager, and I'm here to share some practical leadership tips with you. So we've talked before about our performance pendulum. And basically that means that on a team of about 20 people, at any given time, you're going to have a couple of low performers, you're going to have a couple of middle performers, and you're going to have a couple of high performers. Now, we've already talked about what to do with those low performers, how to get them into the middle or even high performing category. But what do you do with these folks, the ones that are already high performers? When it comes to a high performer, what you want to think about is how can I challenge them? What new or different job assignments or tasks can I do that pushes them a little bit to grow and learn something new? Without that, they might tend to get bored. Another thing you can do is think about areas where they could have increased responsibility. One of the things about a leader is you're always trying to empower your team to help you with tasks and making sure that you're getting everything done and maintaining a high performing team. So let your high performers especially help you with that by delegating some responsibility to them. It keeps them motivated, it keeps them engaged, and it keeps them learning and keeps them being challenged. When it comes to building a high performing team in manufacturing, we got to think about how we get those low performers into the middle and high performing category, but we also want to make sure that we keep those high performers doing well and maybe even performing a little bit better depending on the situation. Like and follow for more practical leadership tips.